So sometimes I just want to drop a couple of pounds, and I know everybody feels like sometimes you just need to get a little bit of weight off. And this cleansing weight loss drink I found is so tasty, so easy to make, and you can drink it 1, 2, or 3 times a day, and it really works, and it keeps your protein and your glycogen up. Let's take a look at how to put this together. Super simple. So I took 1.5 cups of water into a glass, and then what I did was I added my chia seeds and I let them soak, and I wanted you to see how they blend in. When they're first added, they just blend in, and this is what it looks like when it's ready for your other ingredients. Let's add those. So just to review, this is what it looks like when the chia seeds go in. They tend to float on the top. So once they've set, you can see that they've puffed up and blended in. What we're gonna do now is add our lemon. I like lime, so I'm gonna add a tablespoon of lime. And then I'm gonna add agave, a tablespoon of agave. You can add honey or coconut sugar if you want. I find agave to be the most palatable and also the easiest for it to blend and mix with my drink. So I'm just gonna go in and mix that. Sometimes I find just a simple knife to be the easiest to get right down into the nooks and crannies of the bottom there. And I'm gonna mix this up here. And that's it. Super easy. Drink this up to 3 times a day. Here's your weight loss drink. You're gonna have to chew the chia seeds just a little bit. They are a bit crunchy. If you don't want them crunchy, you can go ahead and blend these in a blender and it makes it a little smoother. But I don't mind the chewing of them. Let's try it. Wonderful fiber, high protein, delicious, simple, and it's filling too.